Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited right now because I've got the new M1 iPad Pro with me here. It's the 12.9 inch. I've just gotten it today and this is the unboxing. I've also got the 11 inch as well on this channel. You can look at the comments and I've got it linked for the unboxing. I'll be doing the review in about 2 to 3 weeks time, and I'll be also doing a side-by-side comparison as well. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments below. Before I continue with the unboxing, I'd like to know this channel is completely funded by myself and I don't have any sponsors and things like that. If you'd like to see that and you appreciate it, all you have to do is subscribe and it'll help the channel out. It's for free. Now, without further ado, let's get this underway. So the iPad Pro. So there you go, iPad Pro. Okay, so they've changed the back, removing the sticker from everywhere to bang kind of in the middle and very minimalistic. Got a power adapter, very exciting stuff. Okay, very Apple. Okay, very minimalistic. Boom. That's how easy it is to take it out. Now this is as powerful as the iMac M1 MacBook Pro and all the M1 other stuff, because it's got the same chip. So let's see, I'll be really excited to do the tests. How good is that? Just comes out when you need it to come out. Inside you've got a bit of a different texture, if you guys can see, okay, to the cardboard in the back. We leave that here. The little tab you can use to get the 13-inch iPad, almost 13-inch iPad out. What you get here is basically a little bit about your iPad and warranty stuff. You should get some stickers with it as well. Mine didn't come with speakers. Okay, they're stickers. Oh yep, there they are. Can't be bothered taking it out, but you can kind of see the Apple leaf there. Okay. Alright, what do you get? You get a power brick, okay, which is not what you got. 20-watt power brick, which is the exact same one that you get on the iPad 11, and you get a USB-C to USB-C, which is what you get on the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro chargers as well. Alright, let's look at this silver. I think I ordered this one in silver. The other one's in, yep, silver. Okay, very nice looking silver. Now let's open it in honest, straightforward review method. Okay, so what I do is I normally don't destroy the plastic, because later on if you want to sell it or put it back in its plastic, you can just slide it in. Whack! That's the big boy here, okay? So you get USB-C, you've got the smart connection, you've got the speakers, two speakers here, and mic. The camera is still up here. Alright, and what else do you get? This is a non-SIM version that I got. So you've got the LiDAR, the two cameras, flash, mic, and things like that. Okay, so that's basically it for the unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in a comparison between this and the 11-inch, and also a comparison between this and the 10.5-inch iPad Pro. Okay, I've got one of them aside. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. Anyways, thanks so much for sticking to the end. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. Take good care. Bye bye.